Yo, what's up everybody? It's your name, back with another video. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future. From windows that change their tint with a tap to drones that deliver your packages before you even finish ordering, these inventions are already changing the game. We're talking about a future with smarter cities, personalized medicine, and even the ability to work side by side with someone across the globe without leaving your desk. So buckle up, smash that like button if you're ready for this, and let's uncover 10 mind-blowing inventions that are shaping the world of tomorrow, today. Let's dive in. First up, we're talking about smart windows. Smart windows use electrochromic technology to control light with a switch or app. Imagine waking up to windows that automatically tint for perfect morning light. They reduce glare and heat, saving on energy bills. They transition from clear to tinted in seconds. It's like built-in sunglasses for your house. Smart windows offer a clean, futuristic look and ultimate light control. Next up, we're stepping into the world of Iron Man, kind of. We're talking about wearable exoskeletons. Imagine strapping on a lightweight suit that gives you superhuman strength and endurance. Exoskeletons assist with movement, helping people regain mobility after an injury, or giving workers extra strength to lift heavy objects. In the medical field, exoskeletons are changing the game for people with spinal cord injuries, allowing them to stand, walk, and even climb stairs. In industries like construction and manufacturing, exoskeletons reduce workplace injuries by providing support and preventing strain. We're talking about a future where physical limitations are a thing of the past. Now let's talk about something that's literally changing the landscape: autonomous farming drones. Agriculture is getting a serious tech upgrade, and these drones are leading the charge. Imagine a fleet of drones silently soaring over fields, scanning crops for signs of disease, precisely distributing fertilizer, and even planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy. These drones cover vast areas of land in a fraction of the time, reducing labor costs and increasing yields. Autonomous drones use less water and pesticides compared to traditional farming methods, making them a game changer for the environment. These drones aren't just feeding the world, they're helping to save it. Alright, let's talk about the future of work, because it's looking pretty virtual. VR workspaces are taking remote collaboration to a whole new level. Imagine putting on a VR headset and being transported to a virtual office, complete with your desk, computer, and colleagues. This is the power of VR workspaces. They allow teams to collaborate in real time, regardless of location. In VR, you can have face-to-face interactions, brainstorm on virtual whiteboards, and even walk through 3D models together. VR workspaces are breaking down barriers and changing the way we work, learn, and connect. This next one is straight out of a sci-fi movie. 3D bioprinting, printing human tissues and organs, using bioinks made from human cells, ears, skin grafts, heart valves, personalized organs for patients, no more rejection, no more waiting, early stages but incredible progress, potentially curing diseases, extending life. The future of medicine looks incredible. Let's face it, waiting for packages is the worst. But what if your deliveries could arrive in minutes, not days? That's the promise of autonomous delivery drones. Imagine ordering something online, and instead of a delivery truck, a drone silently descends from the sky and drops off your package right at your doorstep. Companies like Amazon and Google are already testing out drone delivery systems, and it's only a matter of time before this becomes the norm. These drones can navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and even deliver to moving targets. Autonomous delivery drones are changing the game for e-commerce and logistics, making the world a more efficient, convenient place, one delivery at a time. Let's talk about keyless electric vehicles. The future of driving is electric, autonomous, and stylish. Imagine your car recognizing you, unlocking and adjusting to your preferences. Autonomous features let your car park, navigate, and drive you. EVs are eco-friendly and high-performance with keyless entry and autonomous driving. The future of transportation is sleek and smart. Ever wonder what's really in your food? We're about to make nutrition labels a thing of the past, with AI-powered nutrition scanners. Imagine being at the grocery store, picking up a package of food, and instantly knowing everything about it. These scanners use AI to analyze the chemical composition of food in seconds, giving you a detailed breakdown of its nutritional value. No more guessing games, no more deciphering complicated ingredient lists. This is personalized nutrition on a whole new level. It's like having a nutritionist in your pocket, helping you make healthier choices and stay informed about what you're putting into your body. Now let's zoom out and talk about the bigger picture self-sustaining smart cities. We're talking about cities designed to be efficient, sustainable, and downright futuristic. Imagine a city powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. A city where traffic flows smoothly thanks to AI-powered traffic management systems. They use technology to optimize every aspect of urban living, from energy consumption to waste management to transportation. These cities are about creating a better future for everyone, where technology works in harmony with the environment to create a more livable, sustainable, and connected world. Alright, buckle up for this one because we're talking about CRISPR gene editing. This technology is absolutely groundbreaking, and it has the potential to change the world as we know it. CRISPR allows scientists to edit genes with incredible precision, like editing text in a document. They can target specific genes, remove harmful mutations, and even insert new genes. We're talking about potentially curing genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even Huntington's disease. CRISPR is still in its early stages and there are ethical considerations to address, but the potential here is immense. So, there you have it, 10 mind-blowing inventions that are changing the game right now. From smart windows to gene editing, we're living in a time of incredible technological advancement. It's exciting, it's inspiring, and it's a little bit overwhelming, to be honest. Which of these inventions are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below. And, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our world.